Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this series, we are discussing the interview preparation for the role business analyst. Okay, if you are preparing for this role, then go ahead with the all videos which I have discussed till now. And in today's video, we are going to discuss question number 14. Okay, so let's go ahead and start now. So, what are your weaknesses? Just put it in the comment box from your end. Okay, so early in my career, I believe every meeting required my direct involvement, right? So as the project complexity increased, I realized that effective delegation and the empowerment are essential for scaling delivery. Okay, so I have since developed better participation skills, delegate where appropriate, and focus on my time on activities that create the greatest business value, such as the stakeholder alignment, strategic analysis, and risk management. Okay, yeah, so avoid responses like I am perfectionist, I was too hard, or something. Okay, that is negatively. They in their mind, they will create some picture for you, avatar. You can say, right? Yeah. So why this works? It's a self awareness you are answering, and continuous improvement, leadership maturity. Also, you are showing here. Correct? Yeah. So next question, how would your co-workers describe you? So I believe my colleagues would describe me as a collaborative, dependable, and solution oriented. They often rely on me to facilitate discussion between the business and technical teams, simplify complex problems, and keep project moving when priorities change. I have also been recognized for remaining calm during high pressure situations and helping teams to make informed decisions based on data rather than the assumption. Okay, so you can put like collaborative, analytical, and solution oriented. You can say, right? Yeah. So if you want to put your answer in the star method, then you can also go ahead with the example. Okay, so I have put one example as per my experience here. That is, two departments disagreed on the priority of several features. So I facilitated value based prioritization workshop with Moscow method and the business impact scoring. So after that, the team align on the common roadmap with a single session and avoiding weeks of conflicts and enabling development to continue without delay. Okay, you can give some example also and elaborate. This will take only hardly 4 to 5 minutes of interviewer. Okay, so you can go ahead. After that, the next question, what is your greatest professional achievement? So one of my product environment was leading the business analysis effort for a digital customer transfer onboarding transformation. So organization relied on manual processes that resulted in a long onboarding times and consistent customer experiences as well. So I work closely with the business stakeholders, compliance teams, architects, UX designers, and the engineering team to redesign the end-to-end process, prioritize the product backlog, and the implement API integration with external identity verification services. So initiative achieved by 30% faster customer onboarding, 40% reduction in the manual processing, 25% increase in customer satisfaction, and significant reduction in operational cost. So beyond the metrics, the project established a scalable onboarding platform that supported future business growth as well. Right? Yeah. So one interview tip from my end, that senior interviewers expect achievements with measurable outcomes. Okay. So whenever possible, quantify your impact using percentage, time savings, and the cost reduction, revenue growth, or the customer satisfaction improvements. Okay. Yeah. So just think about it. Fine. Yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead and discuss the next question. Describe the three most important things you look for in a job. The three most important factors for me are that meaningful business impact, collaborative culture, and opportunities for the growth. I enjoy working initiatives that solve the genuine customer business problems rather than delivering features for the sake of delivery. So the best outcome occur when the product owner, business analyst, developers, QA, UX designer, and the stakeholder collaborate openly, transferable, sharing knowledge, consistently, continuously improve. So I'm motivated by environment where I can continue learning, mentor others, contribute to agile transformation, and take an increase on strategic responsibilities as well. Okay. So some interview tips from my end, that is, for every answer, begin with business context. Explain your thought process. Describe collaboration with the stakeholders. Then quantify results whenever, wherever possible. Then highlights customer business value. End with what you have learned. Okay, these are some interview tips from mine. So these structures demonstrate not only what you did, but also how you think lead qualities expected from the senior agile business analyst. Right? Yeah. So we have till now discussed till question number 17 here in these videos. So just go through all the videos which have discussed these question and answer. Work on it, prepare yourself, create your own answer as per your experience, or if you need it, you can take many things from my answers, no issues. Okay, no worries. Fine. Just be with me and we are going to meet and discuss the next 18 question in next video. Thank you.